Getting the job security clearance. If you are applying for a job with a military or government establishment, it's very likely that you will require some sort of security clearance, as you would be working with data. Check out the link for the wiki page on security clearance. Every country has its own way of doing things, but they all use a hierarchy of clearance, from the mundane through to clearance that requires very searching face-to-face interviews, checking of your finances, interviewing your colleagues and friends, checking out your family, checking your online activities, and basically pulling your life inside out. Note that multiple citizenship may restrict the level of clearance that you can obtain. The clearance process can take weeks or months to complete, and it can be a very frustrating and stressful experience. Also, clearance can expire, so you may have to go through it all over again every few years. A big advantage of having clearance is that, statistically speaking, very few people have it, so it's more likely that you would be able to find a job. Be aware that if you leave a job that requires clearance to go to a job that doesn't, you may lose your clearance after a year or two. You may see sites online which claim to be able to get you clearance for a fee. They are scammers because it isn't possible to buy clearance. My advice is that you should think very carefully about whether you want to go through the hassle of getting and maintaining security clearance, but ultimately it's your call.